my charger?
Do you use a typewriter?
No, I was just gonna get my charger.
Wait right there and see what I have for you.
What is that?
A typewriter.
What is that?
A revolutionary machine that will change the way of communication.
What year do you think this is?
1868.
It's 2016, dude.
Christopher Sholes was the amazing man that built this machine.
Who?
He was born on February 14th, 1819, and his whole life was devoted to building this contraption.
I still didn't ask and I still don't care.
The typewriters are a revolutionary machine that when you press the key, it raises the other part of the lever and then it turns and causes the letter to be pressed again.
Sir, please stop. Please leave me alone. All I want is my charger for my computer.
Ribbon containing ink, and the letter and ribbon together being pressed against a piece of paper.
Thanks for the lecture. It's very informative.
Do you want to know more?
No.
Well, of course you do. The typewriter was a revolutionary machine that helped communication out.
No, I'm done. I'm done.
But you can buy it for only 3 easy payments of $19.99.
No, that's it. Get out. Bye. Later.
But wait!
Didn't even want a freaking typewriter.
Go.
Stupid typewriters.
Wait, did somebody say typewriter? Oh, he's gone. Did somebody say typewriter? Did somebody say typewriter?
What?